hair looks exceptionally good. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, The Fit Bomb Girl. And as you can see, I am talking to you right from my treadmill right here. So some of my cardio routine has recently changed and there have been some changes in my diet and workout routine and stuff. So I thought I'll take you guys through a day in my life. And it is a Sunday. It was supposed to be my rest day, but then next week is Diwali and all the gyms are going to be closed for 2 days straight. So I and Mayank, we did not want to miss our workouts. So that's how we are managing it. So today I will go and train legs, overall legs, not quads or glute specific, but overall legs. Right now I am doing steady state cardio for 40 minutes on my treadmill. I am on the highest inclination that the treadmill gives me. I'll do this for 40 minutes and then I'll go get ready, have my pre-workout and then let's go to gym. Also yes, stay tuned because आज बहल साहब का cheat day है, मेरा तो नहीं है. So see me suffering and him enjoying. I'm done with my morning cardio. Just 40 minutes steady state cardio. Usually I do it in the gym, but today I did it in my home itself. I have a treadmill as you guys have seen. So now I just had my pre-workout meal as well, which is again oats and whey protein. And now we will have lots of black coffee and then we will go and train. And we are going to do some Diwali shopping today. So let's go. I just changed few of the products that I use and turns out that looks great. Yesterday I have sorted my clothes like cutting and gaining face. So basically this sports bra I bought it from H&M I guess, yes, and this was too tight on me before and now let's see how this turns out. I am going to wear it after a long time. Finally, it's fitting well. We are ready. Let's go work out. We are going to do legs today yet again. I think all my YouTube videos are based on leg workouts. So if you were looking for leg workout videos, subscribe to this channel and just follow me on Instagram. You will get all kinds of leg workout videos here. So let's get started. So basically this is why I don't use this what is called gimbal. It goes here and there. So basically my cardio right now, I want the camera to look at me. इधर उधर भाग रहा है वो. किधर भाग रहा है? ऐसे हो रहा है. आप हाथ हिलाओगे तो वो हिलेगा. ऐसे करूँ? हाँ. So my cardio routine has changed and right now 80 minutes of cardio. Did I just smudged my eyeliner? Oh my god. Just hold. 80 minutes of cardio, 40 minutes I'm doing steady state cardio, empty stomach in the morning. And then I'm doing my taking my pre-workout meal and then I usually do my weight training and then 20 minutes cardio after my weight training and then last 20 minutes of cardio after my last meal, which is my 6th meal, which I complete by 8:30, 9 o'clock. Then I do 20 minutes cardio, shower off and get back to bed. So that is usually my cardio routine right now. Last week I was doing 60 minutes of cardio and then my coach said I need a little bit more cardio. I hate doing cardio, but we don't have any options here. So 4 weeks out, let's go and get. It's going to take me a lot of time to actually get handy to this thing.
Dreams, I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I want
47 kilo body weight is very tough with huge calorie deficiency. I really can't wait to go back to my improvement season and make some gains.
So bitch, I better love me. Look what I'm becoming. In my mind I'm running all around circles. Better thoughts are coming. And my mind is like a reflex. It knows just what I need next. If I could just believe, then I know I can turn all of my thoughts into a real threat. 'Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it. I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, 'cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, 'cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. 'Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills are getting sharper. So I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up.
बस वर्कआउट इतना करो कि डेफिशिएंसी में भी उल्टी आ जाए. पोजिंग प्रैक्टिस.
आइसक्रीम खाऊंगा तो जुकाम हो जाएगा.
दिवाली का सफाई चल रहा है एंड आई हैव बीन स्पेसिफिकली आस्क्ड कि मैं डिस्टर्ब ना करूं, तो मैं यहाँ बैठ के अपना प्री वर्कआउट मील लूँगी. पावर कपल, आई कुक, ही क्लीन्स. शो यू माई पोस्ट वर्कआउट मील. अभी राइस एंड चिकन, नथिंग न्यू, द सेम थिंग दैट आई हैव बीन ईटिंग इन ऑल माई व्लॉग्स एंड एवरी सिंगल डे. So I'll just eat right now. So hungry. I just packed my next 2 meals and now we are gonna go shopping. Let's go. Off we go. And yes, I changed because that red top was not matching with my white shoes, and white shoes is a necessity. So right now,
necessity. Oh.
Yeah, it's a necessity.
Change करने के लिए.
मैंने बोला change करने के लिए.
तो change किया.
Now I'm going to eat egg whites and cucumber. थोड़ा सा. तो अभी सबसे पहले we are going to one place. मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में बताती हूँ कहाँ पे. And then from there हमें पेट्रोल भराना है. फिर हम फिनिक्स मॉल जाएंगे. जो लोग पुणे में रहते हैं उनको पता है फिनिक्स मॉल कहाँ पे है. राइट नाउ हम लोग वाकर में हैं, तो हमें पहुँचने में एटलीस्ट 45 मिनट्स तो लगेगा. सो लेट्स गो. So we are going to a orphanage right now to donate some clothes. Mayank Bahel's cheat day. What did you get? फिर से इसीलिए बच्चों को नहीं मिलता है.
नहीं, hello.
He's always getting happy meals from Magdi. What did you get? Just came back home. It's almost 10 o'clock. I'm super late, super tired, but still have to do 20 minutes of cardio done. Hey everyone, so this is actually the next morning. So last night after we came back home, I did my cardio, and after that I was so tired that I straight went to bed. I did not even pick up my phone until this morning, so I did not get a chance to shoot the last part of the video which I am doing right now. I just took you guys through a day in my life, which was a weekend. It was a Sunday, so usually my weekends are a little less hectic than my weekdays, because on weekdays I am also working. Actually, I'm working on weekends as well, but weekdays are more hectic because I have to do my office work as well. As you guys are already aware, apart from being a fitness coach and doing bodybuilding, I also work in human resources, and I have a 9 to 6 job like all of you out there. So it is more difficult and very hectic on weekdays, especially from Monday to Saturday. So I usually start working by 6 o'clock in the morning while I am doing my cardio. I am attending my clients' check-in calls, especially the ones who are based in USA and Australia. USA people are behind us, Australia people are ahead us. So I have to coordinate my time accordingly. So I'm just working like 6 a.m. in the morning till 10 o'clock till I go to sleep. I'm working full time actually, and all time I'm on a call. So you can understand how much I have to talk all day, and I am such an introvert person. But my profession is exactly opposite of the kind of person I am. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. We are 4 weeks out, and by November last week, I and Mayank will be traveling to Mumbai because our show is on 3rd, 4th and 5th. So we plan to go a week ahead, and we are going to stay with Mayank's coach, who is Sagar. So it's gonna be fun, a lot of fun. So stay tuned guys, subscribe to this channel and follow me for the rest of my journey. I love you all. Bye bye.